Hello, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals here. We're here on a move-in cleaning here for the customers. It's 5 bedrooms here. We have this priced here at $620. We're using a pet deodorizer as well. He doesn't know who was here before. So we're making sure we're hitting everything before, we clean, or while we clean, I should say. You can see there's some heavy traffic areas in here. I'm gonna get that up along the stairs. We have a living room. Hallway here. Some more stairs. You know how I love stairs. Alright, yeah, this bedroom. The hallway, this bedroom. Okay. And that's it. So stay tuned for the end of the cleaning. So this is the area in the living room. As you can see right here in the middle, the square, there's a color difference compared to on the sides. I didn't clean these sides yet. I just want to show you, this is in the living room, how much of a deep clean that we're getting. Here, look at the color difference on the end of the lawn. We're really getting this clean. All right, you can see in the middle, that color difference right there, that strip is where I didn't get. Just to show you, that's what I did earlier. That strip didn't do. Here in the middle, that's what we did here. That's what we're doing. We're taking the same process, using the same process on the entire home. This is hot water extraction. So we just have the living room done so far. And check out the water from the living room. Look at that. That's all dirt, allergens, dust mites, dust, body oils, walking on the carpet. It's all in there. That's what we're getting at. Hello, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals here. We're finished with the move out cleaning here, so come take a look. This is one of the bedrooms. Don't want to walk on it here. All right, here's another room. There's the last room here. The hallway. Stairs, which came out really good. The living room, which you could see in the video before, the water we pulled up. These stairs down here, which came out great. I mean, these stairs, there was a big black stain here. Got that all the way up. There's still a little left over. That's from stainage, from not having the carpets cleaned every 6 months. This is just a little wet, so we grab that. And we were finishing up, or just finished up this one down here. All right. So we're all finished here. Stay tuned for the next cleaning.